I'm Mrs. Hasty, and today we're going to have fun with the letter A. Let's start with a rhyme. 5 little apples up in a tree. They look good to me. So I shook the tree as hard as I could, and down came an apple. It was good. Did you know that apple starts with the letter A? How about you get a piece of paper and I'll get my whiteboard and we'll practice writing the letter A. Do you have paper? Are you ready to write with me? Good. Let's start with the lowercase a. We use the lowercase a most often. We use it for words like apple or alligator. Lowercase a stays between the middle dotted line and the bottom solid line. Let's write a lowercase a. Around the apple and down the leaf. Great job! Let's do it again. Around the apple and down the leaf. Wonderful! One more time. Around the apple and down the leaf. Great job! Now let's do the uppercase A. Now an uppercase A is used for very important words like cities' names, Atlanta, or countries' names, Argentina. Now the uppercase A stays between the top solid line and the bottom solid line. Let's make an apple stand. Up one side, down the other, and a shelf in the middle. Let's do it again. Up one side, down the other, and a shelf in the middle. One more time. Up one side, down the other, and an apple shelf in the middle. Great job! You keep practicing. Now let's play a game. These are the words to the rhyme we did today. 5 little apples. Let's play Letter Spy and see how many letter A's we can find on the screen. Did you find any? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Great job finding the letter A. Did you know an A can make 2 sounds? Did you know an A can make 2 sounds? Did you know an A can make 2 sounds? An A says ah and A. A can make 2 sounds. It says ah, like antelope, ah, and it can also say A, like ape. A. Now sometimes it can be hard to tell the difference because the sound ah and A, the A looks the same when it's making both of them. So today we're going to put a line over the A that says its name. In books and in writing you won't see the line, but today we're going to use the line to help us tell the difference. A. Now my schoolhouse has some items in it. Let's see if they start with the ah sound or the A sound. You may have used this in the kitchen. This is aluminum foil. Ah, aluminum foil. What else do we have in our schoolhouse? It looks like we have an anchor. A, anchor. What's next? Oh, you may have used this in the kitchen as well. What is this? This is an apron. A, apron. else is in our schoolhouse? It looks like we have an ant. An ant. Ant. What's next? This is a special type of battery. It's called an AA battery. A says its name when it says A battery. Last thing that's in our schoolhouse is an apple. We said this one for our rhyme today. Apple. Apple. I wonder if you can find anything around your house that starts with A. Either A or A sounds. You keep practicing and come back for more learning fun. Keep learning at home by putting letters on the ground. When they're called, hit them with a fly swatter or drive a toy car to them. Form letters out of wiki sticks, Play-Doh, or clay. Or my favorite, draw letters in shaving cream or whipped cream. And there's always printable resources available at my teacher store at teacherspayteachers.com. Don't forget to subscribe.